Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Your phone is updated and WhatsApp is installed. Next, pick a VPN that supports obfuscation and AES 256 encryption so traffic looks ordinary. This reduces blocking risk. Once chosen, subscribe and complete account verification using your preferred method. Make sure to record credentials securely. Then install the VPN app and grant necessary permissions. Finally, do a quick reboot of the device so the VPN service initializes cleanly before connecting to a server. Now you configure and connect. Open the VPN app and enable obfuscation or stealth mode, plus the kill switch so calls stop if the VPN drops. Choose a server in a nearby country with low latency to keep voice quality high. Close geographic options often work best. Adjust protocol to the provider's recommended UDP or TCP setting. UDP usually gives lower latency for calls. Once connected, check the VPN status icon, then open WhatsApp and place a quick test call to confirm audio and connectivity. To finish, perform a full test call and listen for delays, dropouts, or distortion. These indicate latency or packet loss issues. If audio is poor, switch to a different nearby server or change protocol to TCP on port 443 to mimic HTTPS traffic. Once done, retest. Make sure auto reconnect and kill switch remain enabled so calls resume safely. Troubleshooting tip. If connections fail repeatedly, clear app cache. Reinstall the VPN app and attempt connection on mobile data versus Wi-Fi to isolate network filtering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.